The rig substructure can be transported in 3 modules: driller side substructure, off-driller side substructure, and intermediate substructure. The skid can be assembled by forklift only. When the mast is moved to its position, it will be connected with the substructure. The support will be turned out and connected with a cylinder. The mast and substructure are raised up by the same third hydraulic cylinder. While working, the DCC is pushed to its position by hydraulic cylinder. The electrical module, power module, mud pump module, and solid control module are all towed to their positions. iRig is equipment with pipe handling system, which contains 3 parts: pipe transporter, stand builder, and pipe ranker. Power catwalk transfers the pipe from ground to the drill floor. Tilted arm tilts and stand building arm grabs the pipe. Stand building arm turns pipe to the vertical direction and then to the first mouse hole. The iron roughneck connects to grab the pipe with the first hole pipe. The pipe is turned from the first mouse hole to the second. The iron roughneck connects the double pipe with the second hole pipe. The stand is pushed out from the second mouse hole. The pipe ranking arm grabs the stand. The pipe ranking arm transfers the stand to the fingerboard. While drilling, stand building, and pipe ranking are working. After drilling with one stand, the pipe ranking arm transfers another stand from the fingerboard to the top drive, and then it continues drilling. After drilling, run casing. Stand building arm grabs casing to travel to the wellhead, and the TD equipped with CDS runs casing. Offline pipe handling can be operated while drilling, which makes drilling more efficient and safe, lower labor intensity and cost.